So one of the plugins that you can utilize inside of ChatGPT is AskYourPDF plugin. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to Explore GPT's section right here, and I'm going to go around onto Search GPTs and type in Ask Your PDF right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that Ask Your PDF is an option right here. So there's many versions of this, but let me just go around and utilize Ask Your PDF right here and start the chat just like this. So I'm going to go around over here and then upload an attachment. So I'm just going to upload from my computer right here, and you can see that I got some PDFs right here, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here onto, let's say for example, presentation.pdf right here, just like this. And I can go around and say summarize the points of this PDF file into 5 main points right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then it'll take that particular PDF and then it gives the overall 5 main points, as you can see right here. Like this presentation is a sample presentation file right here, so you can see that it defines it out into 5 main points. So now you can go around and say, let's say for example, can you arrange the 5 main points in tables right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and do that, then it'll simply go around and then present it out in tables right here, just like this. And you can ask things out of the PDF as well, or based on that you can generate out data as you like. And let's say for example, based on the data in the PDF, make a Word document right just like this. So I can simply go around and do that as well, and it analyzes out the content right here, just like this, of the PDF file, and then will generate out a Word document out of it as well. So you can see that it is analyzing. So I gave it a heavy prompt, so it does take a bit of time to execute that out. So now you can see that it says I have created a Word document based on the data in PDF. So you can simply go around and download out the file right here and access this out. So now let me just go around over here onto this particular file right here. And once I open it out right here, then you can see that I get the presentation summary document just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Ask Your PDF plugin inside of ChatGPT to go around and then get information out of your PDF files that you may have. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.